What's up, everyone? This is my newest mask. It is by AM Creations. It's from Texas Chainsaw Massacre: The Beginning. It's the Eric mask from when Leatherface filleted him, basically. He cut his face off. This is to become the iconic Leatherface that's used in the remake. Now, start off with, this is a very gory and gruesome mask. A lot of detail was put into this mask. It looks real. It's very creepy, very gory. And being the sick fuck that I am, I love it. Very movie accurate. It's got all the accurate stitching. Real stitching too. Real material, it's not just sculpted in. He's got his mustache and goatee still visible. All accurate stitching on this side. You got his ear still visible on this side. My favorite part of this mask, let me turn it, is the gore on the back. Oh, that's just disgusting. I love it. Then you got hair. I don't know if my camera will pick it up, but there's a lot of blood and gore in the hair. See that shiny stuff? So you got shorter hair on the top, and then you got Tommy's actual long hair. Thomas Hewitt, Leatherface. His actual hair there. It's a really cool mask. I like it a lot. I'm actually a big fan of the remake and the prequel to the remake, which is what this mask is from, Texas Chainsaw: The Beginning. As you all know, I'm a huge Texas Chainsaw Massacre fan. I do like the originals more than the remake, but it's pretty much the only remake I like. It was done right. Not a big fan of the actor who played Leatherface, Andrew, however you pronounce his last name, for his comments after Gunner's passing. I'm not going to get into that, but this is a very cool mask. And if you want to go get one, AM Creations makes quite a few Leatherface masks, all different ones. I think they're working on a killing mask from the original. So go check him out on Facebook. You can find him at AM Creations. Just shoot him a private message and he'll hook you up. Does awesome work. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I have a lot of videos coming out, so a lot of stuff to add to the collection. I'm always spending too much money on stuff. So tell me what you guys think. Thanks for watching.